I want to swim, but the pool is green. The pool is green because algae is growing in it. Algae is a plant that grows in the water. Algae grows fast when it's hot outside. And right now, it's July in Florida, so it's very hot. The first thing I'm going to do is brush down the pool. I have a brush with a very long pole, and I'm going to brush the algae off the walls and the bottom of the pool. So now I am done brushing the pool. It is very hot out here. I am sweating a lot. Now I'm going to go clean the pool filter. Before I clean the pool filter, I have to turn off the pool pump. The pool filter is very green because the pump pushes the water into the pool filter, and the green algae makes the pool filter green. So now I'm going to wash it. Okay, so now I've cleaned the filter. So now I'm ready to dump 3 bags of Super Shock into the pool to hopefully kill the algae. This is a dangerous chemical, so I'm going to wear gloves, goggles, and I'm going to cover my face so I don't breathe it in. Okay, I have poured all 3 bags into the pool. Okay, so last night I ended up pouring in 9 bags of Super Shock. So let's check the pool this morning. The pool is blue. I'm very happy. Okay, I'm going to test the pool water again. I'm going to test the chemicals to make sure it's safe to go swimming. Okay, so I've tested the chemicals and the chlorine is right. The color matches right where it says it's ideal. Yay! And the pH, the color of the pH also matches where it says it's ideal for swimming. So it's safe for swimming.